If you want it, Haitian All-StarZ. Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Classic Wyclef with my man Harry. Classic Wyclef with my man Harry. Classic Wyclef with my man Harry. Now, man, y'all tuned to the original refugee. Mona Lisa, can I get a date on Friday? And if you're busy, I wouldn't mind taking Saturday. Hey, hey, hey. Round on the posse Fuji coming around the way. Hey, 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 hey. Nappy heads in the zone and we not gone. You want a battle swing, I bring commanding men like I was king. And all your dreams are right, the horror figure Stephen King. I did that rap, man, when I was like 17. Yeah, back in the days my cousin sold crack the fiends. My man Harry just jumped on the turntables. When it come to freestyle, trust me, you ain't able. This is what I do, I'm just getting comfortable. It's coming from my mind, I'm unkind. Like Jesus Christ, I turn water to wine. Lime to the lemon, lemon to the lime. Big up to the guards in Brooklyn, they say Clef is still divine. This is how I rock, I used to flip dice. I'm sitting back and I'm still praising Jesus Christ. Yeah, man, I stay in the zone with my man, yo, we on the microphone. So ring the alarm, alarm, another sound is dying. Trust me, don't try this. This is how I do, man, do this all day long. Yo, my man Harry, man, he keep me in the zone when it come to freestyle. You don't want to flip this, predict the future like Nostradamus, yeah. Only thing that hurt me in the presidential bid, thought the Haitians would come and block the Brooklyn Bridge. Flipped on me, that's right. They did the same thing to Marcus Garvey and the Garveyites. Excited again cause I'm doing music. When it come to freestyle, can't refuse it. I think I've been rapping for now 5 minutes. The funny thing is I ain't even finished. I ain't even get started. Trust me, freestyle you be belly departed. Yeah, this is what I used to do in the zone. At that side of the brain work again. I'm in the zone. Yeah, jump on me, cool me, something like view me, walk on, see me, walk on, pose it, rap on the dance, it might come to. Eat on table, sip on stew, block me, bro me, black. With me, test me, spy me back. So la rock a big shot. Jack on the back on the top, at the bottom of my beer, so trouble at the top. Electricity can give you a shock, still hot. This is how I do. I bring it to the Flatbush block. When they come to freestyle, Clef never stop. Trust me, yeah, I'ma get back on top. What I'm talking about, never was at the bottom. In the hut out of Haiti, look at the freestyle that phase me. If your cassette deck is on, now you're listening. Even if I stutter, you still be listening. Most of what I'm saying, it ain't even written. It's coming from my mind, trust me, my freestyle forbidden. Shout out to Mecca, shout out to Booker. Your boy came back, it's the return of the general. And trust me, Dirty Harry bring the drama. I stay close, legalize marijuana.